Hello students, welcome to your e-learning classes. Last day I have already taught the simple present tense. I told you that in your offline YouTube class I will just tell page number 49. Besides that, those who did not do the class, again I will give some introduction for them. The tense, simple present tense you are having, but I should tell first what is tense and what is related to this. So, tense actually it is related action and also the time. Some action is going on and some period of time. So, we should divide tense for the three types, that past, present and future. Past tense, when we are telling some story, that time we are using past tense. Just I am giving one example. Once upon a time there was a frog princess. Like this also we can, whenever we are using yesterday, last day, last year, means before that some action was going on, some action happened. Before today, before now, some action happened, that is called past. So, before, last, so that is called past, and present, now and future, after some time, after now means tomorrow, next year, that is called future. Only this much you should know. But if we are telling about simple present tense, then we can also think that present tense also is divided into four types. Okay, there is a division here: simple present tense, present continuous, then present perfect, and after that present perfect continuous. Now, this class you will read only simple present and present continuous, means in the class 3. But what is simple present tense? Please only remember these things. So, simple present tense we are using also now, not only now, two actions that we are telling. Now, for that one thing you should remember, for the universal truth. Universal truth. What is universal truth? That is also we call eternal truth, and that truth will not change forever. Okay, so please remember that truth will not change. Like this example we can give, that the sun rises in the east. Sun rises in the east. The earth revolves around the sun. So, that is simple present tense. Actually, it is one type. Another action, habitual action or everyday action or regular action. That is also we are telling that simple present tense. So, here I go to school. I like ice cream. I wake up in the morning. So, that is a regular work. So, that is the habitual action. So, here verb form you know that already I have told. Again I am telling verb form. I go, we go, you go. If go is the main verb, you go, he goes. He goes. If I am telling that sometimes the verb it is like, so he likes. So, s or es we are adding, except I and you, any singular number, the person or things. But plural number, again we are just not adding s or es. So, they go. So, please remember these things. This verb form please remember. Next, we can go to the book. So, page number 48. Here also tick the correct verbs. Number 1, I greet my friends. Only I am writing the verb. Please tick it. Number 2, you make delicious idlis. So make. Number 3, she keeps her room neat and tidy. Number 4, my father plays golf on Sundays. So all these work are regular work. The child likes colorful dresses. Child likes colorful dresses. Number 6, children. Children's plural. So children want. Children want. Again, next, number 7, Mr. Kelkar does his work regularly. Number 8, spiders. Spiders, that is the plural. So spiders catch flies. Number 9, a tortoise. A tortoise, so moves. Number 10, mangoes, taste. So this is the plural. So we are not adding s or es. Then number C, we should do number C. Fill in the blanks. Ankita drinks a glass of milk. So please understand and do this. Number 2, Mr. and Mrs. Reddy. That is also plural word. So love. Number 3, dogs wag. Number 4, she writes. Number 5, they park. Number 6, Mrs. Mehra changes the water. So in the aquarium. Number 7, she switches off. Number 8, you tell very funny jokes. Number 9, we throw. Number 10, Mannan hits the ball. So I think you have understood the chapter, and if you did not understand, please write to my e-portal. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day, beta. If you are having any problem, please tell me in my e-portal. Okay.